The Mikado-Joseph disease. Mikado-Joseph disease. Mikado-Joseph disease. What is the Mikado-Joseph disease? The Mikado-Joseph disease is the most common autosomal dominant ataxia. That is the most common autosomal dominant ataxia. The Joseph disease is the most common autosomal dominant ataxia. This is the hereditary ataxia. There are three types of the Mikado-Joseph disease. Number first, that is type 1. In the type 1 Mikado-Joseph disease, the symptom is mild. There is mild symptom. There is mild symptoms. In the first type of the Mikado-Joseph disease occur in the first 2 decades of life. First 2 decades of life. The symptoms of the type 1 Mikado-Joseph disease is the weakness of the legs, weakness of legs, dystonia of face and trunk, dystonia of face, dystonia of face and trunk. There is the dystonia of the face and trunk. There is the ankle clonus, ankle clonus, ankle clonus. The ankle clonus is the common. There is common in the Mikado-Joseph disease type 1. Is common. The ankle clonus is more common in the first type of the Mikado-Joseph disease. Mikado-Joseph disease. The pharyngeal weakness and spasticity occur. The pharyngeal weakness, the pharyngeal weakness and spasticity occur. Spasticity occur. There is difficulty in speech. Speech difficulty occur in the Mikado-Joseph disease. The speech difficulty is also common. Now we will discuss the second type of the Mikado-Joseph disease, type 2. Type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease. In the type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease is the most common Mikado-Joseph disease. This is the most common Mikado-Joseph disease. Most common is the type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease. The second type, that is type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease, begins in the 2nd to 4th decade of life. They begin in 2nd to 4th decade of life. The symptoms of the type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease. The symptoms of the type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease. The symptom is dysarthria, gait ataxia, upward vertical gaze defects. The symptom is dysarthria, gait ataxia, upward vertical gaze defects. That is upward vertical gaze defects. Upward vertical gaze defects. Upward vertical gaze defects is common in the type 2 Mikado-Joseph disease. This is the form of ataxia. The Mikado-Joseph disease also called SCA3, spinocerebellar ataxia 3. This is also called SCA3, spinocerebellar ataxia 3. Now we will discuss the type 3 Mikado-Joseph disease. The type 3 Mikado-Joseph disease begins in the 5th to 7th decade of life. They begin 5th to 7th decade of life. The symptoms of type 3 Mikado-Joseph disease is loss of pain, touch, vibration and position, and peripheral neuropathy. There is loss of pain sensation, touch, vibration, position. There is also peripheral neuropathy. The mean age for type 3 Mikado-Joseph disease is 25 years, but they mostly occur at the age of 5th to 7th decades of life. The death occur within 15 years. The death due to Mikado-Joseph disease type 3 occur within 15 years. There is also severe loss of neuron. Severe loss of neuron. In which region? In the dentate nucleus. In the red nucleus. There is also loss of Purkinje fiber. Loss of Purkinje cells. There is also loss of Purkinje cells in the cerebral cortex. Loss of Purkinje cell in the cerebral cortex. What is the causes of this disease? The cause is due to the unstable CAG repeat expansion in the MTP gene of ataxin 3. There is unstable CAG repeat expansion. CAG repeat expansion. Unstable CAG repeat expansions in the MGP Mikado-Joseph disease gene that synthesize a protein called ataxin 3. So there is expansions in the MGP Mikado-Joseph disease gene that synthesize ataxin 3 in occur the Mikado-Joseph disease due to this expansions of the CAG repeat sequence.